afternoon, showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Poole Island to Sandy Point in Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Maine until 3:45 p.m. At 2:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles northwest of Annapolis, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Ken Narrows Bridge, Magazine River, Chester River, Eastern Maine, Greenberry Point, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park,